Hey guys, this is Thomas from freewaysocial.com, and in this video I'll show you how to fix common Instagram login errors. There are many errors that you can face on Instagram, like something went wrong, try again, or we couldn't process your request at the moment. However, mostly these errors may be fixed really fast, so just follow these steps. First of all, go to Google Play Store or App Store and make sure that you have the latest version of Instagram app. If you see the update option, then just update the app. Then restart your mobile device. Now try opening Instagram app, and usually this should be enough to fix the issue you faced earlier. If it hasn't been fixed, then log out of your profile and delete the Instagram app and download it again from the App Store or Google Play Store. Now try logging in and the problem should be fixed. That's it for this video. I hope this guide was helpful and you were able to fix common Instagram login errors. Don't forget to like this video and visit us at freewaysocial.com.